What's up, my loves, and welcome back to another freaking video. So if you're interested in seeing how I retwisted my locks and how I got this cute rope twist style, just keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and start by sectioning my hair off into the sections that I want my style to go in. And I'm just grabbing some clips and ponytail holders and things so I can do that as well. I'm doing this on dry hair just because I wanted something really quick. I didn't want to take hours and hours retwisting my hair, so I just kind of wet it as I went and retwisted it that way, and you guys will see when I get later on into the video. For my parting in the back, instead of doing a part down the middle of my head, I actually sectioned it off to have twist line down the middle of my head. That way I don't have like a straight part going down the middle of my style or anything like that. And that way when I took it down, you know, they won't all fall to the side. They'll fall straight down and lay down flatly. And so here I'm just going to start my retwist. I do use the palm roll method to retwist my locks, and that's what I'm doing here. And then when I do the actual twist, I'm going to take the left twist over the right twist as I twist that to get that rope effect. And I'm just going to repeat these steps of wetting my hair first, then applying an oil just to oil my scalp, and then I apply my lock glue to go ahead and retwist those locks, and then just do the simple rope twist. And I'm going to do this all over my head, and then I'll come back later when I'm towards the top and let you guys see how I style that bun. And I'm dampening those locks. You want as much moisture in your locks as possible. Like, I can't stress this enough. Like, you need moisture in your locks. Okay, so now I have all my locks retwisted and rope twisted down. I'm just taking the front of my hair and I'm going to style that in a ponytail and then roll it down and pin it in a bun for a half up, half down style on my starter locks. I'm just going to lay my edges with some Design Essentials Edge Control. Just those little flyaways that I have in the front, I'm just going to go ahead and lay those down. And I'm going to use the toothbrush and smooth it down. You know, nothing too major. After laying down my edges, that's pretty much it for this style. I threw my scarf on for a little while just to set those edges, and that's pretty much it. I wore my hair like this for maybe about a week until I got tired of it, but I really did love this style. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. I love and appreciate you guys so much. As always, I will see you in my next video.